The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning effective until 5:45 p.m. CST for people in the following location. In Middle Missouri, eastern Wilmington County. A tornado 5 miles east of Figuresburg will move through Milton by 5:30 p.m. If you are in the path of a tornado, the safest place is a basement. Get under a workbench or piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in an interior room such as a closet on the lowest floor. Use blankets, pillows, or cushions to cover your body. Avoid windows,